Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Of why we are studying Python. Easy to learn because a few keywords, simple structure, clearly defined structure. That's why Python is easy to learn. Python easy to maintain, fairly easy to maintain because it is easy to download, easy to install. Easy syntax. Syntax means rules of declaring variables, rules of declaring statements. Few syntax only to clear define the code. It supports many technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, data science, cybersecurity, IoT, blockchain technologies. Then bulk library. Library is called packages. Packages is also called as API. Application programming interface like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, zbox, scikit-learn, keras, tensorflow, etc. It supports database commercial support like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, any database it can support. Python provides interfaces to all major commercial databases. Python is interpreted with nothing but translate source code into machine code. Interpreted means it translates source code into machine code. Interactive is nothing but interact with the interpreter directly to write human programs. High level. Python is a high level programming language, is a type of programming language that is designed to be easier for humans to read. That means English, just like English, as a high level language. Object oriented, it supports object oriented programming concepts such as real time applications. Then Python is an object oriented procedural programming language that is easy to learn, hence vastly used by software engineers. It contains built-in language features, standard libraries. Data types are integer, float, character, double, etc. Python collections are sets, tuples, arrays, lists, and dictionaries in it. It supports general mathematical operations, supports for while loop statements, contains the number of libraries, packages, APIs, and keywords. It supports various string functions like string length, string copy, string comparison, string reverse. Python contains functions which is organized, reusable block of code, and they begin with the def keyword definition. Python is a high level interpreted general purpose object oriented programming language. So you can add this one into here. Okay, so that there is no confusion of defining the two definitions. So Python features like easy to learn and readable language, interpreted language, dynamically typed language, open source and free, large standard library, large community support, platform independent, graphical user interface, etc. Python has single line comments is hash, multi-line comments are triple quotes. Python supports loop statements for runtime. Python is a case-sensitive programming language because there is a difference between capital E and small e as key value. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Python is popular language because it is having a rich number of libraries or packages or API. Python latest software version is 3.11.1. Python keywords cannot be used as identifier or variable name. Python must start with a letter or an underscore. Python must contain only letters, digits or underscores. Data types are two types, that is mutable, immutable. Mutable means changeable. You can modify the data types information. Examples are list, set, dictionary, byte array, immutable, not changeable. Examples are integer, float, byte, string, tuples, frozen set. Operator precedence, the order of execution of mathematical operations in Python is similar to the order used in conventional mathematics. In maths, there are three general operator precedence priority levels like exponents and roots, multiplication, division and modulus, addition and subtraction. The short form of operator precedence is BODMAS, brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So Python variable varying value at runtime duration. Variable is a very fundamental concept in the Python programming. Variables are containers for storing data values, temporarily store data in computer's memory. Variable a equal to 10, create variable name equal to CyberSecurity. You can use multiple assignments like a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. You can declare a comma b comma c comma d equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Casting x is equal to str of 10, y is equal to float of 10. Get the data type like print. Say x is equal to 10, I don't know which type. I want to know the data type. You can print of type of x. So x type is integer. It will display the print type of x. So it will print the integer. Then standard data type like variables having integer, float, those are the standard data types. Then Python data types like numeric. See here, integer a is equal to 10 and float a is equal to 10.5, complex a is equal to 1 plus 2j. Then data types like sequence. String is equal to string. What is string? Sequence of characters. Name is equal to Philip. List means profile is equal to. How do you can define list? List is a Python collection. Within the square bracket, Philip, comma 26, comma CyberSecurity. Tuple is equal to profile. Then within the parenthesis, Philip, comma 26, comma CyberSecurity. Set is a Python collection. My set is equal to flower brace begin. Apple, banana, cherry. Dictionary is a Python collection. Dictionary is based on key value pair. Name, colon, Philip, age is equal to 26. Qualification. Then Boolean. Boolean is a data type. It performs true or false concepts. Then a conditional